Hello and welcome to Kitchen Stories. So today in Kitchen Stories we are going to make a really nice and different cake which is known as mystery cake. So I hope you guys have subscribed. If not, please do it. And what's the mystery about this cake? You'll get to know eventually while we are baking it. So come, let's bake this yummy and different cake. So to make a basic cake, we need 1.5 cup of maida, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of curd, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 cup oil, and 1 tablespoon of malai, the vanilla essence, and some red color. As I told you, I am making mystery cake. So, and this is half cup of milk. So I'll not be using the full, I'll just be adding it later to the batter. So let's see how much do I consume. Okay, so now first to make the cake, in this small bowl I've taken a sieve. With this I'll sieve my all dry ingredients. So I'll put maida in this. Sieving, while baking, sieving is a very necessary step. So then I'll put my baking powder and I'll be adding a little bit of my red color. Yeah, I think this much will be enough. So 1 teaspoon of this, and now what I'll be doing is I'll just sieve it properly. So at this time, if you feel you want to add more color, you can add it to your siever. It should come a nice red color. So I think I'll be needing a little bit more of color. So I'll be adding it. Sieving helps the cake, helps to give air to the cake and the ingredients, and the cake comes out really well and fluffy. So sieving a cake is really necessary. You can see that I've sieved all my ingredients really well. This is just the last bit of it. Yeah. Now it's all done. So I'll just mix it once again. Now you can see I've got this beautiful red color. So that's it. It should not be very red in color, because once you add it to the curd mixture, it will automatically get its color. So now I'll be keeping it on the side. Here in this bigger bowl, now what I'll be doing is, I'll be taking my curd, I'll be adding it, and then I'll just whisk it a little bit. Everything when you're baking, make sure it's at room temperature. Nothing should be too cold or too hot. Then I'll just add this sugar to it. I'll not add the complete sugar, as this is a mystery cake. So I'll be baking actually 2 cakes, and then you'll get to know what the mystery is actually. So it becomes too sweet. So you have to balance out. So either you can balance it in this, or you can balance it in your another cake. So like this, I'll just whisk it properly. If you want, you can use powdered sugar. Then what I'll be doing is, I'll be taking this malai and I'll be adding it. And I'll just mix it properly. Little bit color went into the malai, so already you can see a little bit of red, but that's fine. These things keep happening. Yeah, now you can see how well I've got this curd and malai and sugar mixture. If you take granulated sugar, you have to just whisk a little bit more time. So that's it. You can even use brown sugar if you like. Now I'll be adding oil. As I've added malai, so I'll just be adding half of the oil, not the full oil. And now what I'll be doing, I'll be whisking it again really well. How beautiful my mixture is looking. Wow. Now you can see everything is mixed so well. Now slowly you have to incorporate your maida mixture to this. So add it in batches. so that you don't form lumps. Now I'll just whisk it, and you have to always whisk it in the same direction that you have whisked before. Baking is actually a process of little bit trick and patience. So if you follow all the procedures correctly and all the methods correctly, your cake will always come out delicious and you'll always get a yummy cake. Wow, what a beautiful color. You can see. Yes, this is exactly what I want. So now I'm going to whisk it a little more. The more you whisk it, the better your cake comes out. You can even use electric beater, but I like to do it with hand. Now I'll be adding the second batch. Beautiful my batter has turned out, and it's in a dropping consistency. So this is how your batter should be. Now I have also added a very little milk to this, so you can add that. Now I'll put it for baking. So I've greased my baking tray with oil, and I'll just carefully put all my batter in this. And then you have to bake your cake at 175 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes. And once your cake is done, you have to check it with a toothpick. Yeah, it's beautifully done. Now I'll just tap it a little bit, so that this you do so that everywhere your batter is even. And now let's go and bake it. तो आइए अब आप देख सकते हैं कि मेरा केक एकदम अच्छे से बेक हो गया है। तो जब हमारा केक अच्छे से बेक हो जाता है तब हम क्या करते हैं, उसे चेक करने के लिए एक टूथपिक लेते हैं और इससे ऐसे बीच में डाल के इसे चेक करते हैं। तो आप ये देख सकते हैं कि मेरा टूथपिक कितना क्लीन आया है। इसका मतलब है कि केक अच्छे से बेक हो गया है। एक और चीज़ जिससे हमें पता चल जाता है कि केक अच्छे से बेक हुआ है वो है कि ये केक ने साइड छोड़ दी, अगर आप अच्छे से नोटिस करें तो ये एक और इंडिकेशन होता है। तो अब मैं क्या करूँगी, इसे निकाल लूँगी बाहर। 10-15 मिनट के बाद जब ये ठंडा हो जाएगा तो इसे एक प्लेट में या प्लेट में निकाल के इसे फ्रीज़र में रख दूँगी 10 मिनट के लिए, क्लिंग फॉइल में रैप करके। ये मैं क्यों कर रही हूँ ये आपको मैं आगे बताऊंगी, बट अभी के लिए हमें ये करना है। Now after I have taken out my cake from the freezer after keeping it for 10 minutes, you can see it's got a little bit hard. So now, as I told you, it's a mystery cake. So now what I'll be doing, I'll take this heart shaped cookie cutter, and with this I'll be cutting small pieces of heart, and I'll get the hearts out of this cake. Now this is my cookie cutter. I'll be keeping it on the cake and then pressing it really hard, and then what I'll be doing is I'll be removing the excess cake like this, and then I'll be taking the knife and just leveling it a little bit because this is a little uneven. You have to press it on one side so that it comes out really well. You can see how beautifully it's been cut from the cookie cutter. So now I'll be keeping it with rest of this heart that I cut out. So that's the mystery about the cake. So now let's go and bake another cake. तो अब हम अपना केक असेंबल करेंगे। तो आप देख सकते हैं कि पहले मैंने अपना ट्रे अच्छे से ग्रीस कर लिया है, तो इसको ग्रीस कर लीजिए, वो बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है। अब मैं अपना थोड़ा सा बैटर डाल देती हूँ। तो ये थोड़ा सा मैंने इसमें बैटर डाल दिया है अपना। अब इसे अच्छे से सारे कॉर्नर्स में स्प्रेड कर दीजिए। ये बेसिकली हम बेस बना रहे हैं ताकि जब हम अपने हार्ट्स को खड़ा करेंगे तो वो स्टेबल रहें। अब इसके लिए दो ऑप्शंस हैं आपके पास, या तो आप इसके बाद असेंबल कर सकते हैं या तो इसे बस 10 मिनट्स के लिए बेक कर सकते हैं। तो मैं तो ऐसे ही असेंबल कर दूंगी। ये देखिए थोड़ा हमने इसका बेस बना लिया है। अब मैं थोड़ा और बैटर डालती हूँ। आप अपने हिसाब से डाल सकते हैं, जब आप डालेंगे तो आपको अंदाजा हो जाएगा कि आपको कितने बैटर की जरूरत है, तो उतना डालिए। टैप कर दीजिए ताकि वो हर तरफ से इवन हो जाए। ये हो गया। अब आप ये देख सकते हैं हर तरफ से इवन हो गया है मेरा बैटर। अब मैं क्या करूंगी, ये जो मेरे पास हार्ट्स हैं इनको मैं ऐसे यहाँ पे अरेंज कर दूंगी। तो इनको ऐसे उल्टे में अरेंज करना है आपको जब आप डालें, तो ऐसे एक के बाद एक ऐसे डालिए। थोड़ा स्पेस रखिएगा बीच में ताकि जब आप बैटर डालेंगे अपना बाकी सारा तो ये स्पेसेस में भी चला जाएगा। My cake for baking, you can see how well it has been arranged. So you have to bake it the same way at 175 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes. So let's put it in the oven to bake. तो मेरा केक बेक हो गया है। मैंने इसे ओवन से निकाल के थोड़ी देर ठंडा कर लिया है। तो अब मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ ये काट के। देख सकते हैं कितने अच्छे से ये एकदम बेक हुआ है। कट करके देखते हैं। एंड आई होप नाउ आई हैव सॉल्व्ड योर मिस्ट्री। सो दिस इज अ रियली इजी एंड अ फैंसी केक टू सरप्राइज समवन and something different from the usual cakes that we normally bake. So now I'll just show you one piece, how beautiful it's looking. So you can see, and the heart shape can be shown. So that's how our mystery cake is ready. I hope आपको ये रेसिपी अच्छी लगी हो और आप ये ज़रूर ट्राई करेंगे। तो प्लीज़ लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए एंड सब्सक्राइब करिए किचन स्टोरीज को। थैंक यू।